You will not pay for this once.
Money?
Who are you?
Very wicked man. I see black.
I'm going to work.
So what are you telling me?
I'll see you later.
I beg you. Now move your hand. But I wish kind rough play with this one now. Eh? You carry man for house. You see carry Ashewo the join. I beg you.
You see that useless man that just left the room? That man is my husband. Okay? That man has cheated on me countless number of times. And we're in an open marriage. That means we have both actually agreed to do whatever we like. He can do what he likes. I can also do what I like. Did you hear him say anything? So, true, baby. You see, for that man, I have my plans. Oh shit, who's calling me? Not now. Yeah, hello. You're outside, yeah? Oh, good. Everything is set, yeah? Okay, I'm sending someone to get it from you, okay? Let me get the food from the guy outside. He's outside already.
No, they push me like that again. They
Come on.
Agege,
So yourself don't carry you go far.
you will behave yourself. Black say you no get respect. If I start now, they go say Ashewo to the get pepper body. Give me what they send you. How my customer, your madam?
Kamaram, they fine.
You warn her. Now because say I warm soup for her house job that day and she no take pay me. Tell her say make she fear my return.
Ashewo too many for opinion. Money do that.
Madam. Customer.
1 minute, please. I'm in the washroom.
Oh, okay.
Oga, don't make that mistake.
Any little change, now enjoyment. Don't worry about my future.
If customers do me like this, I know go to get pepper body.
Oh my God. Was this the food I asked you to get for me?
Now the food, madam. The food sweet too.
Though you can't be serious. Like I asked you to get me food and then you're eating it.
I just say now my food now. We never reach the way you did the shout for me, so madam.
Come too soon.
Eh?
Because this food has been poisoned and it was actually made for my husband.
Madam, lie.
I am not joking.
Madam, when you cause Ashewo and you are your family problem. Mona, leave me.
What you concern as shower concerns one.
Madam, when you get pamo here.
I no get.
Ew. That's what I take go.
Go and ask your grandfather.